Today on Designing Spaces, see clearly with new windows, how to pick a generator, a pool tip for summer swimming, and HVAC and mini split solutions for your home. Time to design. Let's be honest, most of us don't think about our windows. They're just there. But here's the thing, your windows are one of the hardest working parts of your home. And if they're old, outdated, or just not built for where you live, they could be costing you more than you realize in energy bills, comfort, and peace of mind.
On average, you can save up to 30% by replacing your windows and doors and your heating and cooling costs. That makes it more efficient for your home's HVAC units. That helps improve the maintenance, and you can actually reduce the amount of time you have to spend on maintaining your windows and the security.
For today's homeowners like Ty and Jennifer Gocher, that means hundreds of dollars flying out the window, literally.
We've lived in this house for 14 years. We built it. And over the time, we've spent a lot of money on energy bills. In Texas, it's hot, so a lot of electricity is used for air conditioning.
And then when you get a cold snap every once in a while, it also is very difficult to keep the wind out.
We have 4 children. They're all in high school. And so it's important for us to be able to have windows that are functional in our home without having to shake them and jiggle them because they're loose in the track, or having to slam them all the way because they won't close very well.
We had some family members come down and they said, hey, it looks like your windows might need to be cleaned. And I was like, no, they're just really that bad. So
that was the moment where we said, okay, we can't do this anymore. We can't use our windows. We're not enjoying it. And it's pretty obvious to the rest of the world how bad the windows are. I found some different searches for window companies. Our home value is important to us, and we wanted to have a really good curb appeal. And I think that having new windows is going to be an amazing investment.
So they did their research, checked Google reviews, and decided to give Window Nation a call.
Part of our research process was going online and researching a bunch of companies and looking at reviews.
Yeah, and the reviews for Window Nation was phenomenal, so that really stood out to us.
Window Nation's warranty was better than any of the other warranties that we looked at.
We like to start all of our free estimates with sitting down with the homeowner to really find out what's unique about them, their home, and their needs. We take time to really evaluate what windows are needed, what security issues they have, design questions. We have many different options that they can select from, different styles of windows, colors, designs for their doors that will help them feel secure, comfortable, and be more efficient within their home. They get to take advantage of a lifetime warranty, meaning that they ever have to worry about maintenance or concerns with the windows. I get to provide them with that peace of mind as we install that solution.
For the 26 windows at the Gocher residence, Window Nation is installing their standard universal windows, a smart choice for homeowners who want a real upgrade without breaking the bank.
When picking a vinyl window, make sure that you select one that's unplasticized or virgin vinyl, that has double or triple panes, has a low E technology that's current, modern, and up-to-date to provide you the most energy efficient window possible.
If you live in areas such as Florida or South Carolina that are prone to high winds, heavy rains, or severe weather, you may need something stronger. That's where hurricane strength impact windows and doors come in. ArmorView and New South windows, powered by Window Nation, are rated for Category 5 hurricane resistance thanks to their unique design. So look for advanced low-E UV blocking glass that'll help with heat reduction within the home. They should also have dual-action reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass. That'll help with noise reduction and added home security.
It looks so much more modern, it looks updated, so I think it's a huge improvement. So I was really pleased with the whole project.
With the installation complete, the Gochers couldn't be happier with the transformation.
Have some natural light.
Let's open those up because you have screens.
And I can open it with my hand. I can't believe it.
We are absolutely thrilled that we chose Window Nation to do our windows. and French doors.
Yeah, they look phenomenal. Yeah, the whole process from the beginning to the end was top notch. It was fast, it was smooth, it was great. The final product is outstanding.
And I'm excited that there will be no more pain with our utility bills.
Extreme weather is hitting harder than ever. Ice storms, tornadoes, flooding, and at the same time, our demand for technology is pushing an aging power grid to its limits. Power outages aren't just happening more often, they're lasting longer.
That's why more homeowners are turning to reliable backup power for peace of mind. Today, I've invited Jacob, a Generac power system specialist, for a free home assessment to talk about standby generators for the home. Most of us don't even think about having a standby generator until the power goes out, which is too late.
It's true. Many folks don't realize how expensive a power outage can be.
Yeah.
The possibility of frozen pipes, property damage, flooded basements depending on where you're at in the country, the loss of productivity at work, or even temporary displacement.
And you know what? There's no greater lesson than to deal with a power outage for more than one day to convince me.
Oh yeah, very true.
How about we go on the patio? You ready for a cold drink?
That sounds great.
All right, let's go. So when you're working with a homeowner who's considering a whole home standby generator, where does the process begin?
We start with the needs assessment.
Okay.
How have they been affected by power outages in the past? How long have those power outages lasted in the past? We want to understand what's important to them. Basic refrigeration, heating, air conditioning.
Air conditioning,
especially out here in Florida, yes. We want to make sure we're covering all the critical components that the homeowner needs to have backed up.
Okay.
So we'll go room to room, check on the appliances and how they want to have their home backed up by power. Do they have kids? Are they homeschooling their children?
Right.
Things of that nature.
Yeah.
Then we can move on to the comfort level. How do they want to live in that home? Do the homeowners work from home or do they work remote? Also a big impact.
Right.
So understanding all this helps us shape the right solution for the generator itself, as not one generator size fits all homes.
Okay.
And we want the generator sized correctly for the home, because if it is not undersized, it can potentially overload itself and shut itself down.
Definitely not what we want.
Absolutely. During a power outage situation, we want that generator to run for as long as it possibly can.
All right, so once we realize the size, we did the assessment, what's next?
We do a site walk to determine the best location to put the generator on the home.
Okay, let's do it.
So we're looking for a well-drained area, stable location to set the generator. This may not be the best location because there's a lot of windows on the backside of the house, and we have to take CO into consideration as well as fire. Not having any windows around the generator is going to be very important. So we're going to walk around the house some more and see if we can determine a better location to set the generator.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so here we have the electrical meter for the home. This is a good place to put the transfer switch for the generator. The generator is going to monitor the utility power coming in, and once that shuts off, it's going to tell the transfer switch to change from the utility to the generator.
Automatically.
Automatically.
Okay.
So 2 o'clock in the morning, you don't have to get up and do anything.
And safe.
It's very safe.
All right, so we found the perfect spot. Now let's talk about maintenance. What do you recommend?
So maintenance is very important for generators. We want to make sure that generator is running at its optimal performance, giving longevity and reliability to the motor. And also with the generator, an exercise schedule will need to be set up. So the generator is going to run either weekly or bi-weekly, make sure all the fluids are flowing,
Okay.
keeping it happy.
Yeah, that sounds very important to do.
Very.
Yeah.
The generator is like a car. So having to do maintenance on a car, it's an engine, maybe doing oil changes. The homeowner can do those themselves, but it is recommended to use a Generac authorized service dealer. They're really here to help. They understand the ins and outs. They also go through training on how to work on the generator.
You know, I noticed Generac has a smart solution technology available that goes with the standby generator.
Sure, and so we have proactive monitoring that is real-time data. It's an app that you can get on your phone. It's gonna go over the exercise schedules on your phone, the status level of the generator.
That's very handy.
So we also offer ecobee Smart Thermostat by Generac, which is a thermostat for your home that can also energy manage your air conditioning system. It's going to give you a lot of the information, like the proactive monitoring we have.
Okay.
But you can also link it to your phone.
I like that. That's really good at a glance.
Yes, and Generac also offers EV car chargers now, so they can also be integrated in with the installation of a generator.
So we want to get the generator installed. What do we do?
You're gonna head over to Generac.com,
Okay.
fill out an inquiry. It's gonna get you in contact with a local dealer in your area. They're gonna come out and get the conversation started.
Sounds easy enough. Jacob, thank you so much for being here, really breaking it down for us. I appreciate it.
Thank you, I appreciate being here.
Thank you. Well, if you're tired of being left in the dark, a backup generator may be the upgrade you need for your home and family. For more information, visit Generac.com. And as always, you can visit our website at designingspaces.tv. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Your pool may look crystal clear, but what's happening beneath the surface tells the real story. That's why smart pool care starts with a water test.
Here at HASA, we believe that every pool owner should feel comfortable being able to test and clean their pool. But a clean pool doesn't necessarily mean a safe pool. So they should also feel comfortable in balancing their pool. When water's out of balance, it can create scale, or it can corrode metal parts, or even cloud the water.
Once you have your test results, you can enter them into the LSI, which will reveal whether your pool water is imbalanced or slowly causing damage. Either extreme can shorten the life of your pool.
So too little of these things that we're talking about, that creates corrosive water. And corrosive water is damaging water. That's water that is eating your plaster or damaging the surface. It's going after the metal parts. It's creating stains in your pool. It's corroding your equipment. And then too much of that, then it starts to leave things behind, like in the form of scale or cloudy water, or you might even start getting algae blooms because there's just so much going on that chlorine can't compete at this point. So that's when water's had too much or too little. Balance is right in the middle.
If you are seeing scaling, staining, or equipment issues, those are signs your water chemistry isn't where it should be. This is when bringing in a certified pool professional to partner in your pool care can make all the difference.
So as you can see, balancing the water might be tricky for some. So calling in a pool pro is a good practice. Look for those pool pros that have CPO certification, Pool Chemistry Training Institute certification. These are the pool pros that aren't just out there cleaning their pool. They're taking good care of your water. They're taking good care of your investment on your equipment and your pool itself.
When your water is properly balanced, you're preventing costly mistakes, protecting your pool, and everything connected to it. For more pool tips, visit HASA's AI assistant at crystalpool.com. And if you decide to go the DIY route, you can find HASA products at a local pool and spa store like Leslie's Pool Supply. Miss part of the show? Head to designingspaces.tv. See you poolside. Did you know that your HVAC system draws the most energy in your home? That's why it makes such a huge impact on the quality of your living experience. And most people don't upgrade their systems until it's too late.
When it comes to energy costs for homeowners, close to half of it comes from heating and cooling solutions. So mini splits or ductless solutions can help improve that by 20, 30, or even more than 40% compared to legacy systems. And they do that by being extremely flexible, so they can be used as supplemental heating and cooling solutions, or can be used for full system overhaul. Another major advantage is that systems today work at very low temperatures, so they can really provide those energy efficiencies year-round, both in summer and winter for cooling and heating.
Most people know TCL for innovation in consumer technology, but that same commitment to smart, intuitive design now extends into home comfort. With HVAC solutions designed for efficiency, convenience, and year-round comfort, TCL is helping homeowners rethink what heating and cooling can look like in their home.
TCL has been a global technology leader for decades. While we're well known in North America with our electronics and TVs, we're actually a powerhouse in HVAC and solar energy and smart home and even battery storage. What we're doing the last few years is bringing that technology over all of that energy efficiency into solutions that are built for homes in North America. So at the end of the day, we're trying to bring that technology to comfort solutions that align to homeowners' needs, especially keeping in mind the fact that home improvement costs have risen significantly over the last few years.
When it comes to modern homes, flexibility matters. TCL's ductless mini-split systems offer a smart solution for spaces where traditional HVAC just isn't practical.
Ductless units change the game a little bit because now we can get in areas where there is no space to store a unit. Now where you didn't used to be able to have air conditioning or you would have to have a window unit, we can now put these mini splits, have ductlesses on a wall, and now you can cool certain areas where we never used to be able to cool before. The first floor, in particular, a room like this, which is a sunroom, and we're on a slab, cathedral ceilings, we're finally able to put TCL mini split on the wall and cool this area. TCL HVAC products have a really great price point. They're very reliable, super efficient, and they're very easy to install. They're very installer friendly and service friendly. One of the benefits of having a ductless in your home is having different locations with different comfort points. Every unit on the wall will have its own thermostat, a handheld remote that you can set in particular what you want to that room. So let's just say you have 4 air handlers scattered throughout the first floor. Each one of those can be set to their own individual temperature. So if you're in a living room versus your partner might be in a bedroom, if your partner likes it at 70 degrees, but you might like it at 62 degrees, it gives you that ability to have 2 different comfort zones in 2 different areas of the house.
Over the last 30 years, I've seen technology change with products being more efficient. Mini splits have come a long way. Now the technology has gotten a lot better, where they're able to heat and cool homes at a lower or higher temperature, and they're a lot more efficient. TCL units were a good option for efficiencies and the way they look. The remotes are easy to navigate, and you're able to sense temperature from the wall mount unit or the remote, and it gives you the option to actually hook up Wi-Fi to your phone. As a homeowner, you should be looking for quality, efficiencies, and a sleek design. And that's why we choose to install TCL.
From smart technology to energy-conscious performance, TCL's HVAC solutions are designed to make home comfort simpler, smarter, and more personalized than ever. So what's the takeaway for homeowners? Start by asking the right questions.
Homeowners have a challenge that a lot of the legacy solutions that are installed in their homes today just use too much energy and are not efficient. So adding a mini split or changing a whole system with an inverter and a heat pump can bring significant energy cost reduction over time. If a homeowner is looking for a solution that's ultra quiet, that improves the comfort of the home and also brings significant energy savings, a TCL mini splits is the perfect solution.
If you'd like to learn more about TCL's innovative solutions for your home, visit their website, us.tcl.com. You can find their products at Home Depot or talk to your local HVAC contractor. You can also visit our website, designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.